In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cohesive brand using Firefly boards. From presets to mockups, all around one brand called Yonder, a hiking boot company. With Firefly Boards Presets, you can drop your products into AI-generated photography. The presets let me add the boots into scenes that match exactly the outdoorsy vibe I was going for. One of the ways I look for images for mood boards is going and using the search option. By using the image picker, you can really get a lot of options. When you find a piece of photography that really works, one of the things that you can do is hit vary, hit more like this, and you get like 16 images all at once. So you really have some choices. Next, we're going over Firefly Boards Presets. This is where the magic happens. If you're not sure what type of image you want to generate or how to include your product in an image, there are quite a few presets in here that I found were very helpful. With presets, they shape the lighting, color, and depth of your generated images so your products fit right into brand photography. For this one, I used Add to Scene. So the scene was this mossy log. Then you choose your product and you hit generate. It did a great job of keeping the colors earthy and the boots feel like they belong in the scene. Now I'll use some presets to place the Yonder boots into brand consistent photography. No separate photo shoot needed. Each generated image builds on the same color palette and lighting, so the products always look like they're part of the same campaign. So for this preset, this was product swap. And I chose a scene and my boots, and it gave me this wonderful image where the boots are in the scene. Now, the way this works best for product swap is the product has to be the main focus of the image. Then it actually knows what product to swap. Next is change pose. You select your original image and describe your subject's new pose. And I said woman jumping off a log, and it really did get the spirit of the brand in this image. Next is virtual try-on. With this, I took my original image and I went to the presets and did virtual try-on. So in this case, I selected my subject and the boots, and it put the boots directly onto the subject in the photo. This looks great without having to do a photo shoot. Next, we have Mashup. And Mashup takes a few images and combines them together. So you choose multiple images, and I chose the backpack, the jacket, and the woman sitting on the log. So in this case, it did have a woman still sitting on a log, but with the boots on, and the backpack and the jacket. Our product blended seamlessly into these photography pieces. To tie it all together, I built a final brand board with the Yonder logo, colors, and a few generated product shots. I even was able to generate an image of a storefront with our logo on it. To create product mockups, you can select your logo and then hit edit and use Flux Context Pro. So you want to make sure that it's loading your logo image as a reference, and then just give it a prompt like add this logo to the top of a shoebox. This entire brand board gives me a one-look overview of the entire brand identity. Try it with your own products and see how easy it is to stay visually consistent. Check out my quick start and presets guides next. They'll help you get set up fast. I hope you enjoyed this Build a Brand tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe.